Welcome back. Mickey being elected representative, his MLAs seem unanimous on his parole but appear to be confused on granting pardon to the convicted legislator. When questioned, MLAs were clear that parole should be given to Mickey to attend the session, but on pardon, many of them are confused. This is how the MLAs responded to government's recommendation to the governor seeking pardon for Mickey.
So it has been provided in the rules. So also as Mr. who is that Yaqub, he was appealing again and again to the Supreme Court, to the Rashtrapati, to the governor and all that, because that has been provided in the rules. Though you may like it or not, that has been provided. So accordingly he has been applying. So also anybody can apply, whether it is morally right, wrong, we need not go into it. But it is, by rules it is allowed. You can do it.
म्हाका दिसता सेशना पुरतें ताका आमी मर्यादीत दवरला. म्हाजे तितलें हांवें डिटेल पळोवना, पूण म्हाजे म्हायती प्रमाणे ना तशें कांय ना. म्हाजे म्हायती प्रमाणे सेशन बरें.
I think he should be allowed to come for the assembly session.
8 दिसांचो parole दिला जातालो, pardon कित्याक?
Depend on the governor how to give this decision.
I feel that we should give him parole to come to the assembly.
Not parole, it's a pardon.
Pardon, yeah. He's a colleague, no?
How will his constituency problems be readdressed? Or as a legislator, how will he take up problems as regards Goa?
मिकी विधानसभेन आसूंक जाय आसलो, कारण तेजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तेजी जरी ल्हानशी चूक जाली एक आमदार म्हणून, जाल्यार तेजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींत लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आसा ते मांडपाक ताका हांगा विधानसभेक संदी मेळोंक जातली अशें म्हाका दिसता.
शिक्षा
माफ करपाची ह्या हेजेर शेवटी कोर्ट ठरयतलो.
I don't know what is right or wrong to the governor and the chief minister. Let them decide.
Pardon ताका मेळपाक जाय अशें.
आमी कॅबिनेटान क्लियर केला म्हणजे आनी मोरली कितें आहा तें. आतां डिसिजन ऑफ गव्हर्नर. कॅबिनेटान डिसिजन घेतला की ताका भायर सोडपाचो एक बरो डिसिजन.
I feel the parole should be given him so he can address the problem issues of his constituency on this session.
दिवपाक जाय अशें.
सरकार करता ताजेर प्रश्न पडटा whether it is right or whether it is wrong. So I think all issues come in the purview. Why only Mickey? Everything comes in that.
एक कोणे चूक केल्या ताका बोक्षिता ही बरी गजाल आहा आनी लोकांनी म्हाका दिसता जर तर कोणे कितें मनान दवरला जाल्यार तेणी ताका बोक्षिचें.
Definitely, it is not a grave offence, which is not a criminal offence that it needs to be. And cabinet has taken a right decision. He is also representing service 27 lok.
Mickey is currently serving 6-month sentence in engineer assault case. It's been 2 months Mickey is behind bars. Government has sought pardon within 2 months of his 6-month sentence. On the other side, MLAs seem to be mixing up the issue of pardon and parole to Mickey. None seems clear whether Mickey should be granted pardon. Currently, the file is pending with the governor and 10 more days are left for the assembly session to conclude. Bureau Report, Prudent.
On one side, government is trying to promote Konkani in governance, and in schools, Konkani daily Sunaprant closed down in the state. Guj President Sadhguru Patil feels had government to support and provide incentives to the only Konkani paper in the state, Sunaprant would have survived. Sunaprant had 27 employees who are suddenly jobless now. Sunaprant was the only Konkani paper in the state. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.